Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled amidst lush green meadows, there lived a young girl named Lila. Lila had always been captivated by the enchanting tales of magical creatures and mystical realms. However, as she grew older, the villagers discouraged her from indulging in such whimsical thoughts, insisting that they were nothing more than mere fantasies. Undeterred by their skepticism, Lila embarked on a solitary adventure into the dense forest bordering the village, following a trail she had discovered in an old book. The whispers of the forgotten wings guided her, as if beckoning her to uncover the truth behind the ancient legends. Deep within the heart of the forest, Lila stumbled upon a hidden glen bathed in golden sunlight. She stood in awe as a magnificent creature emerged from the shadows, a radiant butterfly with shimmering wings, emanating a soft glow that lit up the surroundings. The butterfly introduced herself as Seraphina, the last of her kind. She shared stories of an ethereal world where dreams and reality intertwined, a place where imagination was nurtured and cherished. Seraphina revealed that the magical creatures Lila had believed in since her childhood were real, but they had retreated from the mortal world due to the lack of belief and wonder. Moved by the plight of these magical beings, Lila vowed to bring back the forgotten magic to her village. Seraphina cautioned her, advising that magic could only flourish when the heart was open to its existence. Lila understood the lesson and accepted the challenge, realizing that she had to ignite the spark of imagination within her fellow villagers. Lila returned to the village determined to change their skeptical views. She started by sharing her encounters with Seraphina, weaving vivid tales of mystical realms and magical creatures. The villagers were initially skeptical, dismissing her stories as mere fantasies. However, Lila's passion and unwavering belief began to work its magic on the hearts of some. Slowly but steadily, curiosity and wonder seeped into the village. Children started gazing at the night sky, searching for shooting stars. Elders smiled, reminiscing about the enchanting tales of their own youth. The air became tinged with a renewed sense of possibility and imagination. One fateful night, as the village was enveloped in a hushed stillness, a collective gasp echoed through the streets. A glowing creature, thought to be lost in time, fluttered through the night sky. A phoenix, soaring with vibrant plumage and flames that danced in harmony with the stars. The villagers stared in awe, their hearts swelling with newfound belief. The return of the phoenix marked the dawn of a new era for the village. Imagination was rekindled, and the once skeptical villagers began to appreciate the beauty and magic that surrounded them. Lila, hailed as the catalyst for this transformation, became a symbol of hope and inspiration for generations to come. And so, the tale of Lila and the whisper of the forgotten wings spread far and wide, reminding people of the power of belief, the beauty of imagination, and the importance of preserving the magic that exists within us all. As the village embraced the rekindled magic, Lila's bond with Seraphina grew stronger. The butterfly became her mentor, guiding her through secret paths of the enchanted forest and revealing hidden wonders. Together, they discovered ancient spells and forgotten artifacts that held the key to unlocking even more extraordinary realms. One day, as Lila and Seraphina ventured deep into the heart of the forest, they stumbled upon a hidden library, a repository of forgotten knowledge guarded by a wise old owl named Orion. Orion had witnessed the village's transformation from a distance and recognized the potential within Lila to safeguard the delicate balance between the mortal world and the realm of magic. Under Orion's guidance, Lila delved into the ancient tomes, learning about the ancient laws that governed the coexistence of mortals and magical beings. She discovered that the key to maintaining this harmony lay in fostering respect, understanding, and open-mindedness. Armed with this newfound knowledge, Lila returned to the village, determined to bridge the gap between the mortal and magical worlds. She organized gatherings where villagers and magical beings could come together, share stories, and exchange wisdom. The once-forgotten magical creatures returned, each bringing with them a unique gift that enriched the lives of the villagers. The village flourished in this newfound harmony. The magical creatures helped tend the crops, heal the sick, and lend their wisdom to those in need. The villagers, in turn, reciprocated by preserving the forests, safeguarding the ancient places of power, and honoring the magic that had become an integral part of their lives. Years passed, and Lila grew into a wise and beloved leader, bridging the gap between mortals and magical beings. The village became a haven of wonder, a sanctuary where imagination thrived, and the lessons of acceptance and empathy were cherished. Lila's legacy endured, passing down through generations, as the village became a beacon of hope and a reminder that magic could be found within the hearts of those who believed. And so, the tale of Lila and the whisper of the forgotten wings continued to inspire people far and wide. It reminded them of the transformative power of belief, the beauty of harmony between different worlds, and the profound impact that one person's conviction could have on an entire community. The enchantment of the village and its inhabitants became known as a testament to the enduring magic that resides within each individual, waiting to be awakened by a simple whisper or a spark of imagination. And whenever someone doubted the existence of magic, a soft breeze would carry the faint echo of Lila's laughter, a reminder that in the realm of dreams and possibilities, anything is possible for those who dare to believe.